So I don't think it's gonna pick up on camera how cloudy these doors are. I'm not sure what exactly this guy did. He scratched the tar out of them and they're all cloudy and really just beat up compared to this part right here. You can kind of see the difference. It's hard to pick it up on camera, but they're really cloudy. Over here, just about 5 minutes with some Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. I ran a tape line down the middle. Look at the difference there. Hopefully you guys can see the difference. Now I know there's scratches in it. You're not gonna get the scratches out with this stuff. It's not a miracle worker, but look at that difference right there in the paint. Now I already did buff and polish the rest of the Jeep. There's a lot of little, the paint's not perfect in this Jeep, but look at that difference, guys. So Meguiar's, I'm gonna tag you and hope you see this. Thank you so much for making this product. I'll put some polish on there then and I'll see how good that looks, but look at that. Big difference.